Welcome back to Once Upon a Gun, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have the Alpha Foxtrot 4.25-inch Romulus with compensator. Let's take a look. You get this pretty simple bag. I do like the color though, American flag, super nice. These are made in Georgia, which is super cool, like that. Met the folks at SHOT Show who run this company, super nice folks, very enthusiastic about firearms. All right, let's take a look. Instruction manual, make sure you read these, super important. Got your registration card, lock. Nice, its own baggie for the Allen wrench. All right, let's check out these mags. So you've got a 20 rounder and a 17 rounder. Nice. Checkmate mags. Sounds good, 9 mil. Oh, and here it is, guys. Oh, I'm looking forward to this. Look at that. Oh man. All steel, beautiful polish on this thing. Wow, this is super cool. Just taking a look here. I know sometimes you guys want me to just start jumping out with like conversation, but remember, this is the first time I've seen this thing, so sometimes I got to get a feel for it. Oh wow, super positive engagement on that safety, and it's an ambi safety, which you guys know how I feel about ambi safeties. A gun like this, it should have them. No questions asked. The end. If you're gonna spend this much money on a gun, even though you don't use both sides, it's just the right look. Yeah, this is a beautiful gun, guys. And you see this compensator up here. The machining on this thing seems top tier. A little bit of wiggle. Again, this isn't a hand-built gun, so you're not expecting Infinity or Atlas type production value, but this thing, for the price and the segment of the market it's in, this thing feels really, really good. Here's dust cover and rail. Useful. Look at this undercuts on this trigger guard. That is super cool. This is fantastic. I hate using the like butter, but I mean, I don't know. If you come up with better terminology, I'll start using it. Cut for RMSC here. This has got the 4 1/4 inch bull barrel, the single port compensator. Obviously, you've got your front and your rear serrations. I like where these are. You guys have heard me talk on the channel before. Sometimes when the serrations come too far forward, really not too useful, not comfortable to use, but these are not terribly deep, but certainly useful, which with a smooth polish like this is definitely going to come in handy. Let's take a look at the trigger here. Nice flat face trigger. Oh yeah. Reset. Yeah, so the brake is nice. The reset felt a little tough, like almost like getting a little resistance, not quite as smooth. See how that smooths out over time as it gets shot. But there's your sights, comes with nice backup sights. Look at that. And of course, get the magwell here. You've got your extended slide stop, which is nice. Real easy to engage that on and off. So that's very cool. It's a beautiful gun, guys. If you have one of these, talk about it below. Look at this attention to detail. Even the checkering on the front of the trigger guard. This checkering's here on the front of the gun feels really nice. It's a little smooth on the grip itself. The checkering on the front and back are more aggressive, but that still helps you at least lock your fingers in there. So I don't think you're gonna have too much issues with this moving around. We'll see. This safety feels like it's in a great spot to help you maintain control of the gun under fire. It's even got some texture on the top here. So really good attention to detail. This thing is really neat. I'm glad they made this gun. This one makes me smile. Anyway, if you got questions about it, go ahead and put them below. See what information I can get you. But this is, again, the Alpha Foxtrot Romulus Comp 4 1/4 inch. So we approve of it here. Love to see it on the range. If you've got any information that you want to share about it, go ahead and let us know. Until next time, guys, thanks for joining.